Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you our new product, Ultimate Cooling Fan Kit for Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B+. And also it fit for 3B and 2 Mode B. Also fit for the Raspberry Pi B+. It's represented by GeeekPi, and you can see the package. It's a same to the old version, but you can see the instruction manual. It show me how to assemble the door fan to Raspberry Pi 3B Plus or 3B. It's a copper heatsink on the back of Raspberry Pi, and show me how to connect the fan in the GPIO header. So it's instruction manual, and let's see the product. Okay. It's copper heatsink. All right, and this one is thin thermal tape, or the thick thermal tape. Yeah, that's right. One is thin, the other is thick. If your Pi don't overheating so much, you can use a thick one, because it can make sure keeping the aluminum heatsink away from other components on your Pi. But if you want to get a better heat conduction, you can use a thin double-faced thermal tape. Alright, you have two options to select. Alright, let's see the fan. Some oil, maybe. And it's shrinked by the thermal tape. It's smaller than the old one. Okay, let's just try this. Yeah, it's perfect fit. All I need to do is use a thermal tape to stick my heatsink on my Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B+. Okay, let's try it. Aluminum, thick one at the first. All right. Yes, it's perfect fit. And remove the paper film and stick it to my Raspberry Pi. Okay. connect to my GPIO pin. This is 5 volts and this ground. Okay. Alright. Let's test the performance of the heatsink. Alright. Okay. It's flat. So beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Let's do the test. Alright. I forgot this one. It's a aluminum heatsink, black. Color is black. And remove the plastic. Stick to my controller chip. Alright, it's done. And let's see that. Alright, when I connect to the power supply, the fan is running, and you can see barely hear nothing. It's very quiet, and it's so cool. Let's use a sys-bench to put CPU to running under 100%, and also we can check the temperature of your CPU and try to get the performance of this is fine in heat consumption. Alright. Okay, I have already logged into my Raspberry Pi via SSH, and if you want to access your Raspberry Pi via SSH, first of all you have to connect your Raspberry Pi to internet or your local area network. Okay, in this case I use Raspberry Pi connect to my Wi-Fi access point so that I can see my IP address. It's a local subnet in Class C IP address. So I use SSH. Username is pi at this IP address, and input the Raspberry Pi so that I can log into my Raspberry Pi remotely. Okay, and then I want to install some software. So I am trying to install HTOP and sys-bench, these two software, and you can see installation is complete. So let's try this. Write down this script. Alright. First one is I want to write a shell script. This shell script is mirror temperature, mirror temp, and sleep. Let's try it. And you can write down the script like this. Alright. Okay, it can get the temperature of your CPU and give these scripts and execute right, so that you can just running this script like this. Okay, and also we can. Okay, I will open a new session for my Raspberry Pi, and I want to use this command to htop to watch my CPU's load average. Okay, there are 4 CPU threads, so let's okay. This is the temperature of my Raspberry Pi, and this is CPU load average and CPU status. And also I want to use Sysbench test the CPU, and you can use this option to test my CPU. Sysbench test equal CPU max prime equal generator. I want to use 20,000. Okay, and tap run. You will see that just one of my CPU is pushed to 100%. So I want to use this one. Number threads equal 4. So all of my CPU are pushed to 100%, and you will see the temperature is going up. It will last a few minutes, so I will gather the average of the temperature and make a chart. Okay. Alright, the temperature average is maybe 52.6. Alright, 52 centimeter degree. Alright, and then I will try another step. I will remove my Durafan and the heat sink, and I will try it again. Use the same environment. Alright, let's do it. First of all, I turn off my fan, and I'm trying to run this command once again. I just turn off the fan. You will see that the temperature is going high. Alright, it's about 55. Alright, 55. The highest temperature is 56. Okay, and then I will remove my Durafan and try again. Remove Durafan, remove the heatsink, remove the copper heatsink. Alright. And let's try again. Without the heatsink, without Durafan, the temperature is going up sharply. You can see that the temperature is '67, '68, '69. It's about 70, maybe 70. Yeah. '69. Alright, it's about 69.8. So the first with cooling fan and heat sink. Second one is stop the cooling fan. 3 is without any heat sink. Alright, and then I will make a chart for you. This test is very good. I think the Ultra Cooling Fan Kit is very fit for my Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, and you can try it. And you can see the chart of Ultimate Cooling Fan Kit. This benchmark and the temperature of my CPU. I think it's very good for my Raspberry Pi, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.